A heart attack, also referred to as myocardial infarction, occurs when there is a blockage in one of the arteries supplying the heart. This generally occurs when there is atherosclerotic plaque in an artery. When fatty deposits enter the blood vessel walls, immune cells are sent to the site to collect these fatty deposits and transform them into a heart plaque. This causes the walls to thicken, meaning less blood can flow through them at a time. Atherosclerotic plaques can rupture and form blood clots within the arteries, causing a complete block of the artery.